You are going to love the 2017 Juke. The Juke is an adaptable and intelligent ride where handling meets turbocharged performance. This unique, sporty, compact crossover fits your personal style perfectly. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, alloy wheels, power mirrors, traction control system, daytime running lights, fog lights, outside temperature gauge, power sunroof, navigation system, leather upholstery. Come see the car for yourself.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.